Hello everyone, welcome to automation testing at the. So in this lecture we are going to learn about different locators which are commonly used in Selenium for automating the web elements. So this is a website called the Internet Hero Cop. This has different examples pages so that we can automate it. So we'll see one such in this lecture. For that we are using simple add remove elements page. So see what we have to do. We have to click on this. So firstly, I'll tell you from start. So we have to navigate to this website, then we have to click on this add remove elements, then after that this page will open, and we can then click on it and verify that if this delete button is getting enabled or not. Okay, let's see. So I have written this base script here in the Eclipse. As you can see, I have already done settings, setup, that system.set property, Chrome option, etc. Chrome option is I'm using Chrome option because the Chrome browser which I'm using is specially for testing. That is why we have to set binary for it. Then WebDriver. This is all the base script what we do normally. And here I have written driver.get https this website name. Okay, so we'll run it just to check if it is navigating. Yes, yes, it is navigating perfectly. So what we'll do, we'll come here and click on this element. We'll do okay. So if you have to navigate to this page, add remove elements, you can simply do use navigate to function. So you just have to simply copy paste this, then go to Eclipse. So driver dot navigate dot to, then choose this one URL and simply copy paste this URL. So this will navigate you to the page. So driver.get and driver.navigate to are used interchangeably. Actually, the difference is driver.get waits for whole page to load. On the other hand, this driver.navigate to does not wait for whole page to uh, load in order to find elements or click on elements. So this is the basic difference between this. Let's run it. See, it navigated us to this page. Then after that, what we'll do, we'll inspect this add element and try to find best suitable locator for it. Okay, now we have to click on this and verify if is this getting clicked or not. So how can we do that? So just side click and click on inspect. Then you have to find the proper selector for it. So in this case, I'm using CSSSelector. I'll show you how we can do it. Okay. So here, as you can see, it has button on click add element. So we can use this, and it's very simple. Just button, then on click, in bracket you can write on click equals to what is there, add element. Okay, just simply copy paste just to Make sure you are not making grammatical mistake. Yes. So this is CSS selector. Just enter it. Now you can see it has been highlighted. Okay. Copy paste. Come to Eclipse. Then driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. Okay. Dot click is where to click on it. Okay. Then once we click on it, where to verify if it has been clicked or not. So how can we confirm that? So see, when we click on it, a delete button is getting displayed. So we can use isDisplayed method and verify that it has been clicked properly. So how can we do? Now go to this button delete. We have to locate it. So similarly, I think we can, yes, it has on click here also. So similar locator button, then on click equals to, you can see here it is delete element. Copy paste, click on enter here. See, it has been highlighted, so it's correct locator. Come back, then driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. Yeah, now dot is displayed method you have to search. Is displayed. See, so this one particularly, is this element displayed or not? This method avoids problem of having parse an element style attribute. Just selected. Yeah. To check if we are right, we just have to do boolean is displayed equals. Yeah, and you can print this is displayed. So it should return true. Yeah. So if we have to see if it returns true or not. So if it returns true, we'll be sure that our element is being clicked. Okay. Yeah. I'll run it. Okay. Page loaded. It has been clicked. Yeah, as you can see, it delete is displayed. So we'll see in the console if true is returned. Yes, as you can see, a true is returned for this boolean. That means that we have properly clicked add element button, and a delete button is displayed also. Yeah. So this is how we use different locators. So one by one we'll see. In this lecture we have seen CSS selector, like how can we form it, make it, and use it for our automation. Thank you.